Most of your visitors are probably going to arrive on a phone. So let's check how the site looks there before we call it finished. Elementor lets you preview and edit each screen size separately. Let me show you. In the Elementor editor, you can change what size device you're previewing for at the middle of the top bar. Here we're on the desktop view. You can also select tablet or phone. So let's check out mobile. And here you can scroll through and confirm that your mobile view looks good. Now we made this mobile design in Claude Design and asked Claude to rebuild it with Elementor's own controls, so this should be a check rather than a repair job. However, if something needs a nudge, any change you make while you're in this view applies to mobile only, so you can't break your desktop layout from in here. I notice on my layout, for example, there's this big empty space here. And if I click into various elements, we can see what's going on with the spacing. Why is there a space here? We can open up the structure panel. And I'm not seeing anything that really indicates to me where this is coming from. We could click Style Origin, but there's nothing here in the mobile or the desktop view that would really make this so large. So this is one of those scenarios where I might actually take a screenshot and pass it back to Claude. On my computer, I'll grab a screenshot and then drag that screenshot into Claude and say, the About page mobile view has this large gap. Please review and fix it. And then Claude will get to work. And Claude's response here is awesome. Let me point out why. It confirmed there is an issue with that one particular element. And then it looked around the rest of the site to see if that issue existed anywhere else, and it found the same defect in 3 places. So it went through and fixed them all. It explained what was wrong. That way I know for the future what to look for. And it's going to remember that in this conversation. So if you keep making changes in this conversation, it won't make that mistake again. Let's go check it out. Here on the Elementor editor, let's quickly refresh the page. We didn't make any changes worth saving, so we'll just click reload. We'll flip to the mobile view, scroll down, and now that spacing issue is fixed. Make sure to scroll and click through every page on your site at each viewport size to make sure that your website looks good everywhere. If you've just been watching and you haven't been following along step by step, it's time to build. Use the link on screen or the one in the description to claim an additional 10% off any hosting or plan and get your site started. Thanks for watching. Now go build something awesome.